Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily add your screen recording to your control center. So if you can't find screen recording in your control center, so here you just swipe up and you don't see here this button, so just screen recording disappear from your control center. So how you can add it? So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find here control center, so it will be under general, so just tap on it. Now just scroll down and here you will see in this more controls you will see screen recording. So here you can see that I successfully added before, so if I remove it from here I can find it. So just go to, I will show to you control center, and now you will see it. Here you can see screen recording. So near screen recording you will see add button on the left side, so just tap on left button and now it will successfully add screen recording to your control center. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.